It's time for maths. It's time for maths. Amar?
Yes, sir.
Akbar?
Yes, sir.
Anthony?
Yes, sir.
Can you explain the guitar and camera?
We had the hobbies class just now, sir.
Why do you have a test tube in hand, sir?
Akbar, like we had the hobbies class, sir had the chemistry lab class.
Oh, you are a genius, Anthony.
Today, we're going to study lines and angles. Excited, boys?
Excited? My foot? How can lines and angles be exciting?
Wow, lines and angles. It's going to be fun.
Lines and angles? Whatever. I don't need this. I know it all. Like Akbar said, I am a genius.
Yeah, I know. All of you are teeming with excitement. Let's begin, shall we? Can someone draw a line on this board?
Who can draw a silly line? I can do it, sir. Shall I?
I can't.
Akbar is dumb. He can't draw a simple line.
Be quiet, Amar and Anthony. Amar, come to the board and draw a line. Anthony, do you think Amar has drawn a line?
Yes, sir. It is a line.
What do you think, Akbar?
It's not a line, sir.
Good. At least someone's paid attention last year in the maths class. If this is not a line, what is this, Akbar?
A line does not have endpoints, sir. This is a part of a line. A line cannot be drawn. It's an imaginary concept. However, it can be represented like this. A line does not have endpoints in both directions, represented by placing two arrow marks to signify its endlessness.
Understood, boys?
Yeah. Shall I continue, sir?
Yes. Go on, Akbar. Very good.
What Amar had drawn was a part of a line called line segment. We can name it AB, and it's a part of a line. So now the line is AB with this symbol on top, and the line segment is AB.
What is a ray, Anthony?
Ray? Ray? What is a ray? Sir, actually last year when this was taught, I was absent that day, sir. I had cold. Achoo!
What are you laughing about, Amar? You answer the question. Hopeless. My gosh. Akbar?
Yes, sir. A ray has one starting point, but no end point. It will be represented like this.
Excellent. Amar, go cut your hair. Get rid of that guitar and come back like a good boy. When three or more points are in a straight line, what are they called?
Collinear points.
Otherwise, they are called
Non-collinear points.
Sir, but still 2 points are passing through a line.
That proves what a dumbo you really are, Anthony. No matter where the positions are, 2 points will always lie on a line. Get out and get rid of that camera. That's a good boy. A slightly angry boy, but that's fine. Now, let's get on with the angles. An angle is formed when two rays originate from one point. The two rays are called the arms of the angle, and the point is called the vertex. Now, let's study the different kinds of angles. Acute angle, less than 90 degrees. Right angle, 90 degrees. Obtuse angle, more than 90 degrees, less than 180 degrees. Straight angle, 180 degrees. Reflex angle, more than 180 degrees. Understood, boys?
Yes, sir!
Good. You have also learnt about complementary and supplementary angles. What are adjacent angles? Amar?
Let me think, sir.
Yeah, think. Lately, all that people do in this country is think. We are a country of great thinkers.
Adjacent. Adjacent angles are angles which are kept side by side. Sir, I know it.
Oh my gosh, what has the young generation come to these days?
I should help Amar. Sir, but the fundamental level, what he said is not that wrong. He just needs to add to it. Adjacent angles are side by side and share a common arm, that is, a common ray. But there is another way also in which two angles can be side by side, but not adjacent angles. When the non-common arms form one straight line, then two angles are called linear pair of angles.
Good. Anthony, can you tell me which angles are vertically opposite angles here?
That's easy. COB and AOD are vertically opposite angles.
And?
BOD and AOC are also vertically opposite angles.
So these were the things that you people already knew. Now Akbar will take the class and teach you the things for this year.
Huh?
Yeah, I don't want any angry emotions now. Back to normal at once. Look what you've done. I broke my test tube also. I'm leaving now. Akbar, come to my place.